Welcome back. Nothing says Happy Mother's Day like gifting your mom something you made yourself. We have sewing and crafting expert Denise Wild back with some easy do-it-yourself gifts. Thank you for being back with us.
Thank you for having me. Yes, Mother's Day is coming up.
Very soon.
Lots of time to do some creative, thoughtful, and practical gifts for mom.
Amazing. We have a great assortment here, but I think we wanted to start over on this end. What do we have over here?
So let's start with practical. What I recommend is making kind of an emergency kit for mom that she can take with her anywhere. If you want to grab some of these items and put them inside here.
We're gonna make it all together.
So we're, fill it with Band-Aids, hand sanitizer, medication, toothbrush, any kind of little accessories that she'll need on the go, anything to help her get through the life emergencies.
Yes.
And make sure to include boogie wipes. I don't know if you're familiar with those, but those are kind of the go-to for mothers with young children and babies. They are an effective alternative to dry tissues, and they're made with natural saline and perfect for getting runny noses, allergy season, everyday use, whatever it is. I have those in every bag. They are the go-to.
Amazing. I honestly don't have kids, and I still carry on baby wipes with me because I'm so clumsy. I spill all over myself. So
these are amazing. Helpful. You will love those.
Awesome. Okay, so there's our kit.
Talking about practical gifts, let's do something for mom that doesn't cost anything. Let's clean the house for her and do some of those chores, relieve her of that mental load that she carries. So Swiffer and Dawn have partnered with Fair Play to create this free downloadable curriculum for kids. It helps to teach them about equitable chore division around the home, which really has such an impact on families, just makes everybody happier when everybody's dividing the chore work. Mom's happy, family's happy. It's never too young to start kids doing chores. You can download that at fairplaylife.com. /home-equity-curriculum.
Perfect. We will get that on the website, I promise. You don't need to scramble and write that down. We'll get that on the website.
It's a mouthful, but clean the house for mom. She will love it forever.
Yes, absolutely.
Next up, let's make her these little handprint keychains. You can do a keychain or you can do a necklace. This is done with Shrinky Dink. I think you're too young to remember that from the 80s, but I certainly remember. This is a Shrinky Dink craft, so you're going to either do marker, or I used paint to make it have my daughter's handprint. You're going to cut that out with a little margin. And then what happens is you shrink it in the oven. So the paper comes as clear, or this one is white. But you cut it out, you follow the instructions, it shrinks up nine times the size, and then you can put it onto a little necklace, make a keychain, and have the children's handprints as a keepsake, which moms will love.
That's lovely.
It's just a nice fun craft that turns into a great gift.
Amazing.
So while you keep doing that.
Yes, I'm going. Arts and crafts are not my strong suit. I'm getting there.
But you have the time. You have the time. It's looking good. Okay, next up, let's treat mom to a spa day, self-care. She deserves it. We have to celebrate her for the beautiful queen that she is.
That we do.
Fill up a beautiful basket of all sorts of items, bath salts, candles, journals, something that she can enjoy, taking some me time. Also, make sure to include, I love this product, this is the L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Rosy Tone Moisturizer. It is suitable for mature skin, perfect for all skin tones, and it instantly revives that rosy glow. Over time, it helps to strengthen and smooth your skin so your complexion's more radiant. It's just a wonderful gift, wonderful product, and it's available in 3 formats: regular, SPF, and fragrance-free.
Amazing. It makes a beautiful basket too.
Exactly.
This hole punch anywhere?
Yes, up at the top. In the white part. Perfect. Do a hole punch.
Awesome.
There we go.
Perfect. We have just a minute left. I want to make sure that we get to our last. Oh, sorry, dropping things there.
Then we'll bake it. It will shrink. You can put it on the keychain, and there we go. Last up, we're doing a fun little frame for mom. I spelled out mother using Scrabble tiles, and then we picked words. My daughter helped me choose these. I'm trying to think that they're describing me.
I think that they are. Absolutely.
So what you can do is also write out, maybe do the kids' names or the family names, but just do something creative for mom. I'll have you kind of reach over. Let me move this aside. We'll get a little crafty over here. So find some letters. If you don't have, the Scrabble tiles, you can actually order them online.
You always find them online, and the same thing with our website. Also, you can find all of these things on our website too, with your information, and we'll have much more Morning Live for you coming up tomorrow. Actually, we're going to put together this lovely box.
Excellent.
Look at this. Beautiful.
So I used double-sided tape. Smart. And then you can put this up. Maybe mom's name.